Your VIDASHIELD UV24 ships with the wiring components you will need to install for the installation type that you ordered. If you are installing the lighted LED unit, the weight is 34 pounds, while the ceiling panel unit model weighs 31 pounds. The VIDASHIELD UV24 unit can be suspended in exposed structure installations with the optional exposed trim kit for VIDASHIELD UV24. Supplied cables and quick loop connectors make suspension easy and adjustable. Prior to trim installation, you will need to install a receiving bracket to both 2-foot ends of the VIDASHIELD UV24 unit. These will receive 2-foot Axiom trim pieces. Your two 4-foot Axiom trim pieces will need splice plates installed and pre-bent. Confirm the miter corner fit of the 2- and 4-foot mitered pieces. Next, engage the integrated bosses on the back of your 2-foot Axiom with the splice plates on the end brackets that you previously installed. To finish the 4-foot sides of your VIDASHIELD unit, carefully line up the splice plates you pre-bent with the integrated bosses in the 2-foot trim that you already installed. After corner installation, be sure to tighten your splice plate screws with a 3/8" box wrench. Now let's raise the VIDASHIELD UV24 from a work height up to its finished installed height. Just pull your cables through the adjustable quick loop connectors until it is level. If your unit has integrated LED lighting, its wiring is labeled on a different switched circuit from the other wires labeled for UV input. The LED downlight is designed to run independent of the ultraviolet light. When the UV and fan are turned on, you will see a brief red light, then alternating red and green lights that quickly turn to a solid green, indicating the VIDASHIELD UV24 is fully operational. Access to the VIDASHIELD internals for maintenance is easy with 2 spring-activated levers revealing the sealed UV chamber. Make sure your unit is disconnected from power before opening the UV chamber. To open the UV chamber door, simply rotate the 2-door latch fasteners counterclockwise and slowly open the door to its fully open position. All UV lamp and filter maintenance can now be completed within this open chamber. By sliding the black knob forward, you can access the filter and fan assembly. To learn more about the VIDASHIELD UV24 and its complete line of products, visit armstrongceilings.com/VIDASHIELD.